Holi happens every year, and with smiles as vibrant as the festivity, it does bring out the joy of the community.
Although Holi has changed over the years, it remains true that everyone wants to welcome spring and to honor love.
Hi, I'm Melvin Pennant.
And I'm Racquel Robinson, and on this episode of Agenda Jamaica,
We are celebrating
victory of good over evil. It's a message of onset of spring festival that is bringing a new beginning in your lives. And thirdly, it is a festival of friendship, unity and love.
Holi is actually a two-day festival, but based on age, interest, many people celebrate or experience Holi differently. How do you, Holi?
Happy Holi to all of Jamaica. Let's celebrate together. One love.
What aspect of Holi do you like, starting with you?
The water. Bugging. The community.
I love that you don't need to know anyone. You can color anybody you want and they wouldn't mind. So you can even make new friends if you like. But if you're there's no such thing as strangers here. Everyone's a friend.
PBCJ having a very nice fun out here. Wow, PBCJ team having a nice fun over here. Versus Diaspora. I request all High Commission team, sir, madam.
This is kind of our Indian cultural which we celebrate every year. There was a goddess called Holi Mata. She was burned, and behind that there is a big reason behind it which I couldn't explain right now. But at the very next day we celebrate the festival. The Holi is the festival of colors. So we apply colors on everybody and we enjoy that festival.
As you see, we are having a good response, a great crowd and a lot of fun. I think each year it gets better, I would say. Each year it gets better. And we have been kind of, as you see, initially it was just the Indian community celebrating as a group, but now we have the entire Jamaican crowd, the diplomats, and it's really, it's like we are loving the integration there.
Holi is increasingly becoming popular in Jamaica. There are large Indian diaspora here in Jamaica. We see that the message of Holi, which is of onset of spring festival, a message of victory of good over evil, and also a third message of Holi is friendship and unity. India, as we know, Indians in Jamaica, 180 years of history of Indians in Jamaica, they have contributed significantly to the Jamaican cultural heritage, and Holi is a very important part of it.
Happy Holi 2026!
it's not just Indians here today at Holi 2026 in Hope Botanical Gardens.
Yeah, indeed. Members of the wider Jamaican community, they showed up and indeed showed out.
So we're going to talk to some and ask them how they're liking their festivities. Ready?
Of course, let's go.
The color, the water, the fun, the food most of all. But yeah man, it's a nice vibe.
It's quite nice. It's actually my first time here and it's quite a pleasant surprise just seeing everyone go around. And it's like a free-spirited day. I love how the colors are so vivid. It just
they're vibrant and nice. I wasn't expecting anything like this, really. And the games that they're playing over there, it's just a nice sight to see, really.
The colors, the many colors, it's amazing, you see?
The dances, everything is a celebration through dance. We love the Indian culture.
Oh, yes.
We caught up, of course, with none other than the United Nations Resident Coordinator, Mr. Dennis Zulu. Thanks for talking with us. How are you enjoying the festival thus far?
It's wonderful as usual. I mean, it's a nice sunny Sunday in Kingston, and really delighted to be here with our Indian colleagues to celebrate the Festival of Colors. As you see, that's why all these colors we have on our shirts. But really, I think it just this illustrates the multiculturalism that you have in Jamaica. The Indian community, you don't just find the Indian community, you've got all different types of people here from different countries, which really is the United Nations itself, because as you know, the United Nations comprises of many nationalities. But we're just totally delighted to be here and celebrate with our colleagues from India, the Hindu community in particular, what is really a very important event in their calendar.
Holi is a festival of India which is rooted in ancient celebrations which go back 2,000 years. This year we are celebrating Holi with the Indian Cultural Society in Jamaica. They are a group of very active Indians. Last year also we celebrated Holi. It's been 2 years that I've been here, and this is my second Holi. In the past 1 year, I have seen that India and Jamaica relations are increasing at a very rapid pace, and this is reflected in the festival of Holi also here. Last year we had around 1,200 people, a little more than that, which came to celebrate Holi. This year we are expecting a lot more. We have just not even started, and I think already 500, 600 people are here.
I really like the dance performances, you know, they're really fun to watch, and there's a lot of talented people here.
What else can I say? I just love when the community comes together.
The inclusivity and the festive season, it don't matter which person you are, from where you are, what color you are, everybody's here, everybody looking the same.
Everybody has got the same colors, man. All colors, all around. That's it. Thank you.
What about the large gathering?
This is beautiful, amazing, awesome. Can't imagine anything better than this.
What aspect of Holi do you like?
Oh, like society. The different colors reflect the different aspects of society, and they all come together in Holi.
Colorfulness and togetherness. Two things. Thanks.
Out of many, you know what's that, right? Out of many?
Out of many, one.
Out of many, one.
Happy Holi 2026!
Bright colors, I mean, they're beautiful, the purple, the pink, and the family light that come around. You don't see this often in Jamaica where you see the Indian culture. My kids are biracial, so it's a time for them to experience daddy's side. It's always about mommy's side. So it's, you know, it's an opportunity to just be.
What about the food or the rituals?
It's different. Some of them is, you know, you adapt to, but I kind of like, some of them are used to already. I love the sweet stuff. Yeah. But the rituals now, they're different. It's about respecting each other's culture.
Hi, happy Holi everyone. But the question is very tricky though. If you ask which one you like the IR, those are here. But it is everything is important in the Holi. The Holi itself it says that festival of colors, and just we enjoy the every aspect of the Holi. So apparently we like everything. So mostly we like dance, gathering and playing, especially children. They're having a beautiful, marvelous enjoyment here. You see all the children, they're already full of colors, and we can recognize whose child is.
On this day, a year after, will you remember that this shirt was white?
No, I'm actually planning to put it down, fold it up and put it down, lock it up. You get what I say, as a souvenir to look back at this day, because honestly, I want to look back and remember it. It's fine.
Aww.
Happy Holi 2026!
Happy Holi 2026 to all. Thank you.
If you couldn't tell, I thoroughly enjoyed myself here today at this festival.
I mean, it's obvious I enjoyed myself as well. It was a beautiful display here at Hope Botanical Gardens in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm Racquel Robinson.
And I've been your host, Melvin Pennant. And we are watching... So on behalf of the hard-working production team, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Wait.
PBCJ!